Quiero dedicar a todos vosotros, ¿vale? Es un... This is someone loose song called 7 Days.
Bueno, y completando nuestra terna de invitados, también tocó el bajo en la banda un par de años, por lo menos, o 3. Nos dio el toque hardcoreta que nunca quisimos, pero lo traía de fábrica. Tocaba tocaba el bajo como si tocase la guitarra de Guns N' Roses. El señor Alfonso González Sacamuelas. Sale la luz, hombre, que se te vea, por lo menos, ¿no? He vuelto. No encendió esto, ¿eh?
No calentó, no calentó, no calentó.
Scared to be heard. All the women they came and they went. dejo como highlight el señor Pepe Damas. En el piano del órgano, Javi San Luis. No fue miembro fundador porque empezamos en acústico, pero llegó para quedarse en la batería, Alfredo Cerezales. Y el culpable de que cada semana cambiásemos el set y hubiese que aprender letras nuevas, acordes nuevos, en la guitarra, Borja Fraga. Yo me llamo Eduardo y vamos a ver si venís con los deberes hechos de casa. Vamos a ver. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Gracias, él es Alfonso González. Mentiría si dijese que no tenemos nada más preparado. Este es un momento especial, lo podéis grabar, pero sobre todo disfrutar, os pido. Este señor que va a cantar esta canción jamás ha cantado esta canción antes. Jamás ha tocado antes de hoy canciones de Bob Dylan en público. Hoy lo va a hacer con nosotros, una banda de aquí, joder. El señor Kevin Ray Weathering.
It's not my gig. It's Bob Dylan's gig. And Eduardo's.
Come on, Jay.
Drinking champagne, empty skies and well dressed, waiting on the last train. Thank you very much, Eduardo. Standing on the gallows with my head in the noose. Any minute now, I'm expecting all the air.
tight, I'm out of range. Used to care, things have changed. This place ain't doing me any good. I'm in the wrong town, I should be in Hollywood. Just for a second there, thought I'd try something cool. Gonna take dancing lessons to the jitterbug rag. Ain't no shortcuts, gonna dress in drag. Only a fool in here if he's got anything to prove. Lots of water under the bridge. Don't get up, gentlemen, wanna pass through. We're not crazy, I'm strange. I'm not too tight, I'm out of range. I used to care, things have changed. I've been walking 40 miles on bad road. The Bible is right, the world looks blue. Been trying to get as far away from myself as I can. From the out to what to touch. The human mind can only stand so much. You can't win with a losing hand. Afraid I'm falling in love with what's good at me. Putting her in a wheelbarrow, wheeling her down the street. People are crazy and time is straight. I'm not taking tight, out of range. Used to care, things have changed. Don't show it, can hurt someone not even know it. The next 60 seconds could be like an eternity. Gonna get low down, gonna fly high. All the truth in the world adds up to one big lie. I'm in love with a woman, don't even appeal to me. Mr. Chicks, I miss Lucy. I'm out of range. I used to care, things have changed. I used to care, things have changed. I used to care, things have changed.
Si queréis más, que se note. Muchas gracias. Fito, Alex, Carlos, por favor, al escenario.
Pepe. Toda la gente de aquí. Fito. Rolling Stone. Once upon a time you dressed so fine, threw the buttons of time in your pride. In you, people call, they say we went on, you're bound to fall. You thought they were wrong. Can you? If you still laugh now, everybody that was hanging out. Now you don't touch so loud. Now you don't treat me so proud. Having to be scratching around for your next meal. How does it feel? How does it feel to be on your own? Like a lonely song, bleed out low. Like a rolling stone. Nobody ever taught you how to live on understanding. Now you're gonna have to get used to it. You said you'd never compromise, and these things are but now you realize. It's not Saturday night, I just stared into the vacuum of his eyes. I'm saying, do you want to make a deal? How does it feel? How does it feel to be on your own? No direction home. Like a complete unknown. Like a rolling stone. Go to the finest school, alright, it's lonely, but you only used to get used to it. I just see you got on the streets, now you're gonna have to get used to it. You used to be so amused when the pollen and rags and the language that he used. Got a hit no calls you can't refuse. When you ain't got nothing, you got nothing to lose. You're invincible now, got no secrets to conceal. How does it feel? And how does it feel? And to be on your own. No direction home. Like a complete unknown. Like a rolling stone. Clouds so swift, the wind will lift, the gates won't close, the railings froze. We'll get to mine, oh, winter time. You ain't going nowhere. Whoa, yeah. Ride me high. Tomorrow's the day. The bride's gonna come home. Whoa, we gonna fly down in the easy chair. Letters they send. Morning came and morning went. Pick up your money, pack out your tent, 'cause you ain't going nowhere. Oh, yeah. Ride me high. Tomorrow's the day. My bride's gonna come home. Oh, we're gonna fly down in the easy chair. Flute and again that shoots, tailgates and substitutes. Strap yourself to the tree with roots, 'cause you ain't going nowhere. Oh, hey, ride me high. Tomorrow's the day. My bride's gonna come home. Whoa, we're gonna fly down in the easy chair. Ride me high, tomorrow's the day. My bride's gonna come home. Whoa, we gonna fly down in the easy chair. Oh, hey, ride me high, tomorrow's the day. My bride's gonna come. Whoa, we gonna fly down in the easy chair. Oh, hey, ride me high, tomorrow's the day. My bride's gonna come. Whoa, we gonna fly down in the easy chair. Ahora sí nos vamos, ¿eh? Nadie tiene que llevar a sus hijos mañana a clase, joder. No, en serio, no tenemos más preparadas, ¿eh? Bastante hemos hecho en 2 ensayos después de 4 años, os digo la verdad. Esto se llama Highway 61. ¡A bailar! you see me coming, you better run. Dave says where you want is killing down. God says out on Highway 61. George said he had a bloody nose. Fell down the family, even no clothes. He asked Bill Howard, where can I go? Howard said there's only one place I know. Sam said, tell me quick man, 'cause I gotta run. Oh, Howard just parted with his gun said, got way down the Highway 61. Said to Louis the King, we got 40 red, white and blue shoestrings and 1,000 telephones.